Welcome back, guys. Again, I apologize for the late start to the month on the updates. Had a bit of weather the last couple days, and I just hadn't been able to film the updates. So here we are. This is the first update of the second of 2 new tests that are starting this month, and this is what we're calling the 30-way subscriber requested coatings test, even though there's a few in here that are not coatings, but that's okay. 100% of these were requested by you, so these are for you, by me, and without any outside influence or sponsors to keep happy, and that is why this channel continues to thrive. I'm not here to sell you a product, I'm here to find out the best products out there for your hard-earned money. So let's jump right into it, and we're going to do a first rinse. So some of these products require 14 days to fully cure, and what I've done, I've applied these back on the 23rd of April, so that so far is 7 days curing in our shop, and they're okay to get wet, but you can't wash them for a full 14 days for a few of these, so we're going to just rinse. Starting at the top row, Malco Cherry Flash, that's more of a dealer intended wax or sealant, I guess, and it's not quite as hydrophobic as others like Simonize, Tech 585 Graphene. Man, incredibly tight beading. Look at that. And Kamikaze looks even more so. Black Rhino Advanced looks good. Again, nothing has been washed yet. This is just strictly rinsing it with deionized water. Classy definitely does not look as hydrophobic. If I was going to guess, that's probably going to be one of the first ones that'll go down based on how that's looking without even washing it yet. Remember, Classy is more of a glaze though, so it increases the depth, the gloss level, and it did, proving that in our gloss level using our gloss meter. Nanobond, TAC, NV Evo Nova, and NV Pro. NV Pro looks even that tighter bead pattern compared to the others. Definitely an impressive looking product there right out of the gate. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro, not quite as hydrophobic. Sonax Hybrid Tech Wax. I believe that's rated for 3 or 6 months, something like that. It's kind of a short lifespan. Blackfire Pro looks good. Looks, acts, and smells very similar to Adams. Oberk Defense Gel looks alright, not quite as hydrophobic. Glossit DIY Graphene looking good. Geon Pure Evo, 1 Evo, and MOHS Evo. All 3 of those look really good. FaneLab Ceramic Light looking good. Adams Advanced Graphene, that is rated as a 9-year coating. Flitz Spray looks good. Art to Shine. So the 5 Art to Shine products, I believe one of them is a professional only. The others are any consumer, anybody can buy them. I believe the Nano Graphene is the professional only one. Art to Shine Graphene Detailer, diluted 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. Looking really hydrophobic. And Black Rhino Graphics, looking good. So just for a first rinse, looks like there's already 2 or 3 that look like they're not going to be crazy hydrophobic. Those happen to be the not coatings either. Classy, Oberk, and Malco Black Cherry, or what is it? Cherry Flash. So those 3 definitely aren't as hydrophobic as the rest. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro, maybe slightly less. So maybe that's gonna hint as to where this is gonna go, maybe not. We'll find out. So we'll do weekly updates for the first month. So stay tuned for an update on this one in a week. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.